Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to complete this chapter. Go to 22nd problem. In the triangle ABC with vertices A of 2, 3, B of 4, minus 1 and C of 1, 2, find the equation and length of altitude from the vertex A. Here we have three vertices. We have to find equation of the altitude and length of the altitude passing through the vertex A. I am drawing rough figure. Vertex A, vertex B, vertex C. Vertex A coordinates 2, 3. Vertex B coordinates 4, minus 1. Vertex C coordinates 1, 2. So altitude means it is a perpendicular line segment from any vertex to the opposite side here. Here we have to find equation and length of the altitude passing through the vertex A means here draw altitude passing through vertex A means draw altitude means draw a line perpendicular to its opposite side BC. So mark it as point P. Here AP it is altitude. Altitude means it is a line segment which is perpendicular to any vertex to the opposite side. Clearly it is altitude passing through the vertex here. First I am going to find an equation here. This altitude passing through the point 2, 3. First find its slope and find your altitude equation by using point slope theorem. Got it? So here A is equal to 2, 3. A means A is equal to 2, 3. B is equal to 4, minus 1 and C is equal to 1, 2. Here altitude, let AP be the altitude. AP be the altitude which is perpendicular to BC. Clearly here BC line is perpendicular to AP line. First find BC line, BC slope of the BC and then find slope of AP. Slope of BC is equal to slope of the line passing through 2 points here is given by formula. We know that slope is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Slope of BC here, the difference of the y coordinates here, y2 minus y1, here y coordinate 2 minus here y coordinate minus 1 divided by x2 minus x1, here x coordinate 1, here x coordinate 4, 1 minus 4, 2 minus into minus plus 1 divided by 1 minus 4 minus 2 plus 1 3 divided by minus 1 minus 1. This is what slope of BC. Now I am going to find slope of AP. Since AP line is perpendicular to BC, AP is perpendicular to BC, therefore here slope of AP into slope of BC is equal to minus 1. We know that two lines are perpendicular. What about their slopes? Means product of their slopes is equal to minus 1. M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1. Here M1 means slope of AP, M2 means slope of BC. I am going to find here slope of AP. Therefore slope of AP is equal to minus 1 divided by slope of BC. Minus 1 divided by slope of BC, minus 1. Minus minus gets cancelled, 1. Got it. Slope of AP line is 1 here. Correct. Now find this line equation by using point slope theorem. By point slope theorem, equation of the altitude AP passing through the point here a point 2, 3 with the slope of AP is equal to 1. Equal to 1 is given by y minus y naught is equal to m into x minus x naught. Well, here x naught is equal to 2, y naught is equal to 3. Here substitute x naught, y naught and m values. Y minus y naught is equal to 3. Slope m is equal to 1. X minus x naught value 2. Y minus 3 is equal to 1 into x minus 2, x minus 2. Y minus 3, taking these two terms on left side, plus x become minus x, minus 2 become plus 2 is equal to 0. Y minus x minus 3 plus 2 minus 1 is equal to 0. Got it? Which is the required equation. Are multiplying a minus on both sides. Multiplying a minus on both sides. Minus into minus plus x, minus into plus minus y, minus into minus plus 1 is equal to 0, which is the required equation. First one. Next we have to find length of the altitude. There is no space. I repeat once and then I am going to continue the problem. Here we have three vertices A, B, C. Here clear altitude from the vertex means here AP is perpendicular to BC. Got it. First find slope of BC. Slope of BC formula here y2 minus y1, 2 minus of minus 1 divided by 1 minus 4. Simplify, you get minus 1. Since here AP is perpendicular to BC means product of their slopes is equal to minus 1. M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1. That is slope of AP into slope of BC is equal to minus 1. Slope of AP minus 1 divided by slope of BC. Minus 1 divided by slope of BC is equal to minus 1. Minus minus gets cancelled 1 by 1, 1. By point slope theorem, equation of the altitude AP passing through the point here, 2, 3 with slope of AP 1 is given by y minus y naught, which is equal to m into x minus x naught. Got it. Substitute x naught equal to 2, y naught equal to 3 and m equal to 1 in this equation. Simplify, you get y minus x minus 1 is equal to 0 or x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0, which is the required equation of the altitude. Now I am going to find length of the altitude. The second part. See, we have to find length here. AP length means here we have point. Find your BC equation. First means then find required length by using distance of a point from a line formula. Means here D equal to modulus of AX1 plus BY1 plus C divided by root of A square plus B square, which is the required distance from point x1 comma y1 to the line AX plus BY plus C is equal to 0. Here point means this is x1 comma y1 to the line here BC line. Here find BC equation here first and find this length by using this formula. Got it here. Now I am taking here B. B is equal to 4 comma minus 1 and C is equal to 1 comma 2. Here B point coordinates I am taking x1 comma y1. C point I am taking x2 comma y2 like that. Correct. Equation of BC by 2 point formula. by 2-point form. Equation of BC means equation of the line passing through B and C points is given by formula. We know that 2-point form equation. Y minus y1 which is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Here substitute the values. x1 is equal to 4, y1 is equal to minus 1, x2 is equal to 1, y2 is equal to 2. Y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 is equal to y2 minus y1, y2 value 2 minus y1 value minus 1 divided by x2 minus x1, x2 is equal to 1 minus x1 is equal to 4 into x minus x1 value 4. Y minus into minus plus 1, 2 minus into minus plus 1, 1 minus 4 minus x minus 4. Y plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3 divided by minus 3 into x minus 4. Cancels. Y plus 1 is equal to minus 1 into x minus x here, or minus 1 into here, minus 1 into x minus 4. Y plus 1 is equal to minus into x minus x, minus 1 into minus plus 1. Y plus 1, taking these terms on left side, minus become here plus x, plus become minus 4 is equal to 0. Now write equation in order. First x term x, next y term y. 1 minus 4 minus 3 is equal to 0, called as equation 1. Correct. Here BC equation. This line equation x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. This is equation 1. Got it. Now by using distance of a point to the line formula, we shall find required length of the altitude. Got it. Required length of the altitude AP, which is equal to required length of the altitude, this AP is equal to perpendicular distance here. Perpendicular distance from point, from 2, 3, from point to the line here, equation 1, line x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. This line denoting equation 1. Okay. So here formula modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by root of a square plus b square. Here x1 comma y1, x1 is equal to 2, y1 is equal to 3. Line 1 here, this is line 1. Compare this with general equation. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay. X coefficient A value, A is equal to 1. Y coefficient B value, B is equal to 1. C is equal to minus 3. Constant. Substitute these values. Modulus of A is equal to 1, x1 value 2, plus B is equal to 1, y1 value 3, plus C value minus 3, divided by square root of A square plus B square. A equal to 1, A square 1 square, B is equal to 1 square. Got it. 2 plus 1 into 3 plus 3 plus into minus minus 3 divided by root of 1 plus 1 2 plus 3 minus 3 gets cancelled. We get what? Modulus of 2 by root 2. Modulus of 2 plus 2 here. The 2 can be written as here root 2 into root 2 divided by root 2. Root 2 root 2 gets cancelled. Root 2 units. Required distance root 2 units. Got it? This is required length of the altitude. Got it here? First find equation of BC. Let take B point coordinates x1 comma y1, C point coordinates x2 comma y2. 2-point form equation. Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Substitute x1 y1 x2 y2 values in this. Simplify, we get the equation 1. X plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. Got it? BC equation. We have to find this length. That equation, this length of this altitude AP is equal to perpendicular distance or length of the perpendicular from point 2 comma 3 to the line, first line 1. Got it? Perpendicular distance formula, modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by square root of a square plus b square. Here x1 is equal to 2, y1 is equal to 3. Here to the line 1, compare line 1 with general equation. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. X coefficient A value, A is equal to 1. Y coefficient B value, B is equal to 1. X constant C is value minus 3. Substitute these values in this formula. Simplify, we get 2 by root 2. 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2 divided by root 2. Root to root gets cancelled, get root 2 units. Now go to next one. Go to the third one. Third column. If P is the length of perpendicular from the origin to the line, whose intercepts on the axis are A and B, then show that 1 by P square, which is equal to 1 by A square plus 1 by B square. Very, very important for 3 marks. Very easy problem. Very, very important for 3 marks here. 3 marks. Here P is the length of perpendicular from the origin to the line. That line makes intercepts on the axis are A and B. Then show that 1 by P square is equal to 1 by A square plus 1 by B square. And first I am writing here intercepts on the axis A and B equation. Drawing rough figure. X-axis, Y-axis, O is the origin. Draw a non-vertical line. This line, let take x-intercept A, y-intercept B. Yeah, x-intercept A, y-intercept B. Equation of this line by intercept form. This line equation is given by x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. This line equation. The equation of the line with x-intercept A, y-intercept B is given by x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. And here given that P is the length of perpendicular from origin to the line. This line P is the draw a perpendicular line from origin to this line. This is to this line here. Length of perpendicular from origin to the line x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. We have to prove this condition. It is very important, very easy one. Got it here. First I am writing here equation of the line. Equation of the line with intercepts a and b. X intercept a and y intercept b. A and b on the axis x and y axis is given by x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 by intercept form. X coefficient 1 by a into x plus y coefficient 1 by b into y plus 1 take the left side minus 1 is equal to 0. Called as equation 1. This line equation 1. Got it here. Here P, here take, since here given that P it is equal to length of perpendicular from origin 0, 0 to the line 1, this line, origin to the line 1. Then formula, perpendicular distance from a point to the line formula, modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by square root of a square plus b square. Got it here. Here x1 comma y1, this is. x1 is equal to 0, y1 is equal to 0. Next, to the line 1, this line, compare this with general equation, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Got it? To the line 1, x coefficient a value, a is equal to 1 by a. Capital A is equal to 1 by a. Y coefficient b, b is equal to 1 by b. And c is equal to minus 1. Substituting these values, we get p is equal to modulus of, here x1 equal to 0, y1 equal to 0. I am not substituting a and b values. A into x1 value 0 plus b into y1 value 0 plus c value minus 1 divided by square root of a square plus b square, a value 1 by a whole square plus b square, b is equal to 1 by b whole square. Then p is equal to a into 0 0 plus b into 0 0 plus into minus 1 divided by square root of 1 by a whole square, 1 square 1 divided by a square, 1 by a square plus 1 by b whole square, 1 square 1 divided by b square, 1 by b square. P is equal to modulus of minus 1 divided by root of 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. By taking cross multiplication, p into this, p is equal p into this root of 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. Modulus of minus 1 is plus 1. Now, square root of 1 by a square plus 1 by b square is equal to 1 by p. This is again cross multiplication, 1 by p. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Here LHS whole square equal to RHS whole square. Got it? LHS whole square, root of 1 by a square plus 1 by b square whole square is equal to RHS whole square, 1 by b whole square. Square square gets cancelled. 1 by a square plus 1 by b square is equal to 1 by p square. Hence it is proved. Hence it is proved. Mind it. Very easy one here. First draw a figure. Let us take x-intercept here, y-intercept b. Equation of this line is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 by intercept form. And here given p is the perpendicular distance from origin to the line. X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Got it here. Right. Equation of the line with intercepts a and b on the x and y axis is given by x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 by intercept form. Here x coefficient 1 by a plus y coefficient 1 by b plus 1 take the left side minus 1 is equal to 0. Call it as equation 1. Here p is equal to length of perpendicular from origin 0, 0 to the line 1. P is equal to formula modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by root of a square plus b square. Origin means here x1 equal to 0, y1 equal to 0, x1 equal to 0, y1 equal to 0 to the line 1. Line 1 x coefficient a value a is equal to 1 by a, y coefficient b value b is equal to 1 by b, c value minus 1. P is equal to a into x1 value 0 plus b into y1 value 0 plus c value minus 1 divided by square root of a equal to 1 by a whole square plus b equal to 1 by b whole square. 0 into a 0 plus 0 into b 0 plus into minus 1 divided by square root of 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. What is it? Here modulus of minus 1 divided by taking cross multiplication p into this, p into root of 1 by a square plus 1 by b square is equal to modulus of minus 1 is plus 1. Again this root value, this is equal to 1 by p, again by cross multiplication. Now squaring on both sides, total LHS whole square is equal to RHS whole square. Square gets cancelled. Here 1 by p square means 1 by p whole square, 1 by p square is equal to 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. Hence it is proved. Very important, very easy. I am taking last problem. Fourth one. If the lines 2x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0, 5x plus ky minus 3 is equal to 0 and 3x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0 are concurrent, find the value of k. Find the value of k. If the lines 2x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0, 5x plus ky minus 3 is equal to 0 and 3x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0 are concurrent, find the value of k. When we say that three lines are concurrent means if three lines passes through the same point. Suppose here three lines I am taking. First line, second line, third line passes through the same point. Suppose here a point. Three lines passes through the same point means then we say that three lines are concurrent. Mind it here. Passes through point A point means this point. A point will satisfy three lines. Got it here. Three lines are said to be concurrent if they passes through a common point. It passes through a common point. Three lines are said to be concurrent if they passes, three lines are passing through the common point here. Got it here. Given lines are first line 2x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0, called as equation 1. Second one 5x plus ky minus 3 is equal to 0, called as equation 2. And third line 3x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0, called as equation 3. Here k term containing equation 2. Solving equations 1 and 3, we get point of intersections of lines 1 and 3. And clearly that point will also lies on this second line. Got it? Then find the value of k. Got it here. First solving equations 1 and 3. Solving equations 1 and 3. So in these two equations here, 2x plus y, here x coefficient here, x coefficient 3, here y coefficient plus 1, here y coefficient minus 1. Adding these two means directly y term cancels. Therefore adding equations 1 and 2. Adding equations 1 and 3. Equation 1, 2x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. Equation 3, 3x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Adding means your sign remains same. Plus y minus y gets cancelled. 2x plus 3x 5x minus 2 minus 2 minus 5 is equal to 0. 5x is equal to 5. Then x is equal to 5 divided by 5. 5 ones are x is equal to 1. Substitute x equal to 1 in equation 1 or equation 3, we get y value. Substituting x equal to 1 in equation 1. Equation 1 here, x equal to 1. 2 into 1 plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. 2 into 1, 2. 2 minus 3 minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to plus 1. Therefore, the lines 1 and 3 intersect at the point. Lines 1 and 3 intersect at the point. Let take A, x value 1, x coordinate value 1, y value 1, y coordinate value 1. Got it here. Here A point coordinates 1, 1. Similarly, line 3 also passes to the same point. Got it? Because we are given that three lines are concurrent means this line is also passes here. Second line is also passes through same point. Therefore, since equation means 2, line 2 passes with the same point, A point 1, 1. Here substitute put x equal to 1, x equal to 1, y equal to 1 in equation 2. Equation 2 becomes 5 into x equal to 1 plus k into y is equal to 1 minus 3 is equal to 0. 5 plus k minus 3 is equal to 0. K 5 minus 3 plus 2 is equal to 0. Then k is equal to minus 2. K is equal to minus 2. Got it. Mind it. Repeating this. Three lines are concurrent means three lines meets at common point. This means three lines meets at common point. First line here called as equation 1. Second line called as equation 2. Third line called as equation 3. Here k, this term contains in equation 2. Therefore, solving equations 1 and 3. Solve directly by adding equations 1 and 3. Equation 1 plus equation 3. Adding here plus y minus y cancels. 2x plus 3x 5x minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 is equal to 0. 5x is equal to 5. X equal to 5 by 5, 1. X is equal to 1. Substitute here x is equal to 1 in equation 1 or equation 3, we get y value. Here x equal to 1 in equation 1, 2 into 1 plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. Y plus 2 minus 3 minus 1 is equal to 0. Then y is equal to 1. Therefore, two lines here, 1 and 3, intersect at the point x comma y, means x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. Clearly, since three lines are concurrent, since three lines are concurrent, therefore a line 2, this line 2 also passes through the same point 1 comma 1. Got it. Substitute x equal to 1, y equal to 1 in equation 2. X equal to 1, y equal to 1. 5 into 1 plus k into 1 k minus 3 is equal to 0. 5 plus k minus 3 is equal to 0. K plus 2 is equal to 0. We get k value minus 2. Mind it? This chapter has been finished. Mind it? First you practice all formula, all definition. Slope, mind it, I am repeating. Slope of the line passing through 2 points. When two lines are parallel, what about their slopes? Two lines are perpendicular. Next, tan theta formula, modulus of m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. Next, find various forms of the equation of a line. It's point slope form, 2-point form, slope intercept form, normal form. Next, general equation of a line, and practice the derivation distance of a point from a line. Important for 5 mark. Mind it? You make a list of all formula in separate sheet. You practice them and then do problems. Got it? Thank you.